Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's episode of Repair Pro Tips Oil Reset Edition. Today we have a 2021 Toyota Venza Hybrid. So what we're going to do here, let me get where you guys can see. We're going to use these buttons here, the directional, back, and OK. So first you're going to make sure your ignition's on the run part. So push the button twice. Don't start it, just push it twice with your foot off the brake. Hit the back emblem. Now we're gonna use the right or left arrow to get ourselves on the gear icon. Then we're gonna go down to vehicle settings and we're gonna hold OK. That's gonna bring us into vehicle settings. Now we're gonna go down to scheduled maintenance. It says push OK to reset. So we're going to push OK, then we're going to go up to yes, then we're going to hit OK again, and the reset is complete. I hope this helps you, and if it did and you like this, please feel free to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.